No?
Yeah, it's on.
Hello?
No, man, I told the guy. If he didn't come up with the money, he ain't getting the fucking drug. I'm not gonna front for this asshole. Yo, he's good for it. He better be motherfucking excellent. I'm not taking your bullshit anymore. It's straight this time. I swear. Don't tell me it's all straight. Did you just hear something? Oh, man. All right, well, I'll meet you guys at the park at 8 tonight. He better have the money counted and ready to go. Man, he will. Don't worry. You telling me not to worry? Boy, you better shut your fucking mouth before I make you. My bad, B. We cool. What's it? Do you have your fucking phone on? Oh, man. Yo, look. Give me that motherfucker. Who the fuck is this? You a cop?
No, I'm not. You certainly have the wrong number. I'm a senior citizen, and I have no idea what your problem is.
You've just been pranked by prankdial.com.
Very funny.